The ERGOSEAT Folding Boat Seat is designed with a robust construction, featuring aluminum hinges and a high-impact plastic seat frame, making it perfect for frequent use in marine environments. Constructed with UV-treated marine-grade vinyl, this seat is resistant to fading and tearing, ensuring it remains in excellent condition even under harsh weather conditions. The foldable design of the ERGOSEAT makes it lightweight and easy to transport, with an included tie-down strap that simplifies storage on any boat. Comfort is prioritized with thick padding and marine-grade foam, providing all-day pressure relief and relaxation on long boating trips. With dimensions of 19 inches in height, 16 inches in width, and 14 inches in depth, this seat accommodates a wide range of users with a load capacity of 250 pounds. This versatile boat seat is ideally suited for stable use on various watercraft areas, making it a practical choice for both fishing and leisurely cruising.